it good? Spicy? Look your face. Why you are so red now? Spicy?
That's caliente.
I thought you said that you can eat any spicy food, that you're almost like a Mexican guy.
It's really hot, but I like it. You wanna try it?
No. No.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay? That's spicy? You want it more?
We'll go.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mango stuff.
You're sweating now. What's
It's
going on?
chipotle.
No, it's not chipotle. It's another spicy pepper. That's worse than chipotle.
It's hot.
Oh.
When it's hot, I get the hiccups.
Raul also.
It's hot. It's good though.
Ahorita en el plato que me comí me salió un traste.
Yeah, he put like this much sauce on it. Like that much? Like this. Like half of that container.
On what?
On some beans that we were eating this morning.
And just like, perfecto.
With tortillas, yeah?
Yeah, I would definitely put this on tacos.
So I still have a gallon in home, so whenever you want me, bring you more, bring you more. Tomorrow? Are you going to be done with that today?
I like it.
Gosh.
It would be a lot better with chips than bread.
Yeah,
This for me?
that's for you. Just take it home.
Gracias.
Sorry for your bathroom.
Oh man, that is hot, dude.
Is it good for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.